Alert, 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 alert. All right, guys. I want to thank Matt Day for sending this over to me. This works. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked. All right, this is live, guys. All right, there's no hack needed. Again, when we see these deals, guys, they're always online. You'll never find these in store. Um, Let me just remove some of this stuff. All right, I'm going to put the link in, guys. If you're interested, don't waste any time because I'm sure that this is some kind of a blip, blurp, burp, or whatever, So, Milwaukee rollout, 22-inch Packout rolling toolbox, $59.67. That's basically the price of the large box. All right. In fact, two wheels cost $40. So for another $19, might as well get the entire box. Now, I mention that because I just got done putting two new wheels on my buddy's box yesterday, and I was very, angry. Why didn't he buy another one? This is stupid. Like, why are you buying two new wheels? And he said, yeah, you're right. But I did it. Let's do it. All right, so anyway, 59.67, guys. As far as I know, this is the only box that is on like a super sale. Okay. Here's obviously the large toolbox that is very similar, or usually is packed together with the rolling toolbox. Okay, $79, so it's actually $20 cheaper than the rolling box. All right, so I'm not going to yip yap. Go do it. Get it done, people. $59.97. Oh, you see, when you click it, sometimes, you know what? My man sent me the link. So you're gonna have to add it to the cart without clicking it. Cause watch, I'm gonna click it, and it's gonna say something went wrong. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link in for this entire page, and then what you're gonna have to do is add it to your cart. Okay. This way, you can't click it. Okay. You're gonna have to click it from the main search page. All right. I'm gonna put it in the video instructions piece.